Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's already. I know it's been a while, and today we're gonna install the fog lights. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and actually go and replace the. Actually, it's not replacing, but more like installing the fog lights. So this is what I got here. So this is my this is some caps. These caps are really nice because it just to give a nice touch to the car. But I'm gonna show you the setup that I have. So this way, if you want to go ahead and do this to your car, you can. It's very easy, very simple. And with the setup I got, done. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, so this is the set of headlights I got. I got them off eBay, but I'm sure you probably could get them off Amazon as well. So here's some fog lamps by AJP. It's cheap. It's like cheap mods. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead. So right here, you got some wires, and you got the covers. These covers here, these are some nice covers that goes on there. So these covers are gonna replace those covers, and then you have these yellow fog lights, which I really like. These I've seen them a lot, and I feel like they'll give a nice touch to the car. I'm gonna be replacing the wrap soon. It's damaged like crazy, so I gotta replace the wrap, and doing these headlights is gonna tie into the new wrap I do. Can't do the wrap right now because it's cold, and I do it myself, so just gonna do all the mods I could do now, and when I do the wrap, I don't have to worry about these things. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive right into the video because it's getting late. And if you notice, I have these headband on because these are what I've been using to install the wiring inside the car, and it worked tremendously well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, make the video as quick as possible and as detailed as possible, and let's go. Is pop these out. All you gotta do is go to the back and feel for them. And once you feel for them, there you go. And feel for the top one. Easy, really easy, because all I'm doing is basically squeezing this tab right here, squeezing the tab right there, squeezing the tab right here, and on the bottom right here, and it comes right out. So pretty simple. So this one says R on it, so that's for the right side, and this one just said left, which is L right here, which is for the left side. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in. Okay, I'm gonna have to go from the inside. So I have a little bit of a cheat because the back of my fender cover is like all eaten out. So I'm gonna go to the back, slide it in right there, and slide into the slots. Then all you gotta do is find and locate the top screw, the top side of it, and put the top screw in. And once you do that, you're pretty much good. Hold on. All right, so I have the screw in, and it's pretty much sturdy. And then, because look at it. So imagine this is on this side, and what it is basically you slide in this part into these two parts right here, and then you put the other screw in the top, and that's it. So you only technically need one screw for this. So let me get a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So you slide the screws, you slide these two tabs here in, so you don't need any screw, and then there's gonna be one screw at the back here. Let me see if I could, and you can see it right there. Only one screw to hold it in, so you're pretty much straight. All right. Now this is all good. So gotta check this one. It's not for this side. And then just simply slide it in. Slide it in here. Get that. So like I said, when this is all done, and I go ahead to install the new wrap, I'll be good. So same thing here. I'm gonna squeeze the tabs, squeeze the tab, another one, squeeze that, and another one, squeeze it, comes right out. All I need is one screw. Now this is gonna go in just like so. So you're gonna slide it in into these two parts, and then you're gonna put the screw in this side, the top one. All right. So I'm gonna go from the back. Goes in. All right. That's in there. Line it up. Line it up. Take the screw. Just screw it in. And once you do this, you don't have to worry about it. Like, nope. That is all set. And then, same thing did on the other side. Grab the cover and slide it in. So what I was having issues with on the other side is because of these tabs were not grabbing. So I'm just gonna pull this a little bit. Pull this around a little bit. And try to get these in here. Boom. That's it. This thing broke, so I gotta fix that. That looks sick, I would say. Just by putting those lights in makes a big, big difference. I love it. I love it a lot. That's good, right? So just by doing that alone, change the whole look of the car, which is good, which is really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run the wiring, which is right here. So this wiring here is for the two bulbs. I'm gonna run them directly into the cabin of the car because I have this setup here that I am working with. So let me run the wire here all the way into the car. All right, and stay tuned for that. Okay, so I did a modification to the wire because it was very loose. So what I did was I put some tape around the ends right here to keep the seal from moving around. And now I can actually go ahead and install this wire. So let me show you how I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna run it and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So how I run the wire, as you can see, run from there, comes down. I just tied it to this part of the bracket here. I go around, and run it underneath here. You can see I try to keep it more secured. So this way, if anything was to happen, you know, it won't short out and anything like that. So you can see, I keep it nice and tidy all the way through. And then it splits right here. You can see it goes over and through. You can see right there, inside the grill. Right there, goes over and through. And then comes down. And it splits off right there to go in, but you can see it goes to another light right there, right? So you can see it goes to another light, and then this part just splits. I send it up. You can see where I have it, and I secured it. So this is it right here. You can see the blue wire. It comes up. And it keeps on going. I secured it with the main harness and I send it up, and you can see where I have the power that is right there. It goes up and into the fender. I can't see it right now, but I ran it underneath the fender lining and it comes all the way down, and then I send it through the hole that has the hood latch cable, And if we go around, let's open it up. It might be a mess. This is my daily after all. Key out. And you can see where I have it. And this is where you can see the hood latch cable. And it came through the hood latch cable. The power cable is right there. And it's right there. And it comes down and go in to here. And then if I want to see it, all I gotta do is plop this off. And there's my whole mechanism. So the blue one here is for the fog lamps, and then this is the main power that is going in to my little box here. All right, and I hope this video helps. You know, very simple. Oh wait, I forgot. Then I ran the switch, which you can see I have it right here. It's right there. All right, pop everything off. Not easy. But you can see my switch right there. This is the one for the reverse. This is the one for the rain light at the back, and this is the one that came with it. Now the extra wire, I traced it and I run it back to my, what do you call it? My cigarette lighter. So that's where it's getting the signal from the cigarette lighter. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. And that's it.